Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am starting a new series about English verbs. In this series, we will learn one English verb every day. Every day we will learn the verbs meaning in English and Nepali, its different forms and how to make sentence using that verb in our daily life. So let's let's start our day 1 verb. Today's verb go. The verb is go, जसको नेपाली अर्थ जानुहुन्छ. Now let's learn the 5 forms of the verb go. V1 go, जसको अर्थ हुन्छ जानु. V2 went, गए गयो गए. V3 gone, गएको गएका, गएकी गएकी. V4 going, जाँदैछ जाँदैछ जाँदैछिन्. V5 goes, जान्छ जानुहुन्छ. V1 go meaning जानु. Example, I go to school every day. म हरेक दिन स्कुल जान्छु. V2 went meaning गए गयो गए. Example, I went to school yesterday. म हिजो स्कुल गए. V3 gone, जसको मिनिङ हुन्छ गएको गएका. Example, he has gone to the office. उनी कार्यालय गएका छन्. V4 going, जसको मिनिङ हुन्छ जाँदै. Example, I am going to the market. म बजार जाँदैछु. V5 goes, जसको मिनिङ हुन्छ जान्छ जानुहुन्छ. Example, she goes to work every day. उनी हरेक दिन काममा जान्छन्. Present tense. Now let's learn how to use go in the present tense. Number 1. First, simple present. I go to school every day. म हरेक दिन स्कुल जान्छु. We go to the market every day. Every Sunday. हामी हरेक आइतबार बजार जान्छौँ. He goes to work every day. उनी हरेक दिन काममा जान्छन्. She goes to the gym in the morning. उनी बिहान जिम जान्छन्. यो प्रेजेन्ट टेन्सको सिम्पल प्रेजेन्ट टेन्सको सेन्टेन्स थियो. अब प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्सको इक्जाम्पल हेरौँ. I am going to the market now. म अहिले बजार जाँदैछु. He is going to work. उनी काममा जाँदै छन्. Present perfect tense. I have gone to the office. म कार्यालय गएको छु. She has gone to school. उनी स्कुल गएकी छिन्. Present perfect continuous. I have been going to the gym for the 1 month. म 1 महिनादेखि जिम जाँदै छु. यो प्रेजेन्ट टेन्सको 4वटै टेन्सको इक्जाम्पल थियो. अब हामी पास्ट टेन्सको इक्जाम्पल र सेन्टेन्स हेर्नेछौँ. Now let's learn how to use go in the past tense. Simple past. I went to school yesterday. म हिजो स्कुल गएँ. We went to the market last week. हामी गत हप्ता बजार गयौँ. Past continuous. I was going to work when you called me. तिमीले फोन गर्दा म काममा जाँदै थिए. They were going to the market. उनी बजार जाँदै थिए. No, past perfect. I had gone to the office before he arrived. उनी आउनुभन्दा पहिले म कार्यालय गएको थिए. She had gone home before I called her. मैले उनलाई फोन गर्नुभन्दा पहिले उनी घर गइसकेकी थिइन्. Past perfect continuous. I had been going to the gym for 2 months. म 2 महिनादेखि जिम जाँदै थिएँ. Now let's see the example of future tense. Now let's learn how to use go in the future tense. Simple future. I will go to school tomorrow. म भोलि स्कुल जानेछु. Future continuous tense. I will be going to work at 8 am tomorrow. म भोलि बिहान 8 बजे काममा जाँदै हुनेछु. Future perfect. I will have gone to the office by 10 am. म बिहान 10 बजेसम्म कार्यालय गइसकेको हुनेछु. Future perfect continuous. By next month, I will have been going to the gym for 1 year. अर्को महिनासम्म म 1 वर्षदेखि जिम जाँदै आएको हुनेछु. Quick revision. Now we learn the quick revision. So, today we learned the verb go. Go, went, gone, going, goes. This is the 5 types of go form. Here, verb 1 go, verb 2 went, verb 3 gone, verb 4 going, verb 5 goes. We also learned how to use go in present, past and future tense. Don't try to memorize everything at once. Practice this sentence in your daily life. For example, today you can say, I am going to the market. म बजार जाँदैछु. Tomorrow, we will learn another useful English verb in the same way. Tomorrow, we will learn another useful English verb in the same way. If you like this video and want to learn one new verb every day, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing and keep improving your English. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.